So, good morning. Moving further, right? Same thing. Yesterday we have find the value of x. How to find the value of x? Now you are very familiar about that, right? We have to apply the laws or the rules that we have seen when a parallel line is cut by a transversal. But now this type of example can be asked in solve the following. Solve the following માં બી આ ટાઈપનું પૂછી શકાય કે from the given figure identify the details that are given to you, right? જે details આપ્યા છે તે details આપણે identify કરવાનું. તો same let's see પછી આના પર આગળ જોશું how to find the value of each and every angles. એ બી આના related આવશે. The first one, from the given figure below, identify the corresponding pairs of angles. Second one, the alternate pairs of angles. Third, vertically opposite angles, or you can say BOA. Fourth one, interior and exterior angle on the same side of transversal. Now, here you can see that line L and line M, they are parallel, right? And the green color, that is T, that is your transversal, right? So whenever a transversal cut two parallel lines, right, we can say 8 angles are formed. How many angles are formed? 8 angles are formed. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. And there is a relation between each of these angles. બધા એંગલ ની વચ્ચે કંઈક ને કંઈક રિલેશન છે. બરાબર? કયા કયા રિલેશન છે? તો અહીંયા તમને ફોર હેડિંગ આપી દીધા છે. તે જ બધા એ લોકોના રિલેશન્સ છે. So we are going to identify the name of angles. From this we are going to identify the name of angles. The first thing, or the first one, corresponding pairs. The first one, we are going to find the corresponding pairs, and we are very familiar, right? We have already learned that there are 4 corresponding pairs of angles, right? And whenever we find the corresponding pairs of angles, we have to become frog. Frog bani jawanu, right? One jump another, right? So proceeding with angle 1. What is angle 1? AOE. So AOE. And with angle 1, angle 5. And angle 5 is formed by OPC and OPC. That will be the corresponding one. If you want to write EPC, it will do. बराबर? CPO લખું તે બી ચાલે. CPE લખું તે બી ચાલે. But see how the angles form. સાઈડ પરથી આવીને ઉપર જાય છે. અહીંયા બી સાઈડ પરથી આવીને ઉપર જાય છે. દેખાય છે? રાઈટ? એવી રીતે યાદ રાખો. Second one, that's about 4. પહેલા તો one side જ લખી દઈએ. Angle 4 jump angle A. So angle 4 and angle A, they are the corresponding pairs. How we can write angle 4? AO नीचे गया AOP. समझ पड़े છે કે? Yes. And same thing, side પરથી આવ્યા CP એક ક્યાં જાય છે? નીચે. એટલે CPF. So these are the two pairs of corresponding pairs of angle on one side of transversal. જાગતા છે. Good. Second one. મને ઊંઘ આવે એટલે મારા થોડીક વાર તમને ટેસ્ટ કરી લો કે તમે જાગતા છે કે સુતેલા છે. તો જાગતા છે. Second, angle 2 jump angle 6. So angle 2 ઉપરથી આવવાનું છે EOB. So angle 2, that is EOB. And Angle 6, again coming from outside. OPB. Operation नहीं चाहिए जाती है, right? OPB, right? चलो. Then another one, 3 and 7. What is 3? BOP. Very good. BOP. And DPL. So these are the 4 corresponding pairs of angles. Let's see about second one. What is second one? Alternate pairs of angles. Alternate pairs. How many pairs are there? 2 pairs. So A and B. Let's find the first one. Alternate means what? Cross out. Right? With 4, 6. So what is 4? AOP. AOP. And what is 6? OPB. And OPB. These are the alternate pairs of angles. Chalo, another one. 3 and 5. So BOP. BOP. And follow. OPC. OPC. So these are the 2 alternate pairs of angles. Sure. Then next, third one. Vertically opposite angles. How many pairs are there for vertically opposite angles? 4 pairs. So A. Sure. What are vertically opposite angles? Right, mirror image. Very good. So with 1, 3. With 2, 4, 5, 7, 6, 8. फर्स्ट सेक्शन में पहले लगी दी है एंगल 1 साथ 3. AOE. AOE. And angle 3. BOP. First pair. चलो नंबर 2. EOP. And AOP. They are again vertically opposite angles. चलो फर्स्ट पार्ट पूरा देखियो. नीचे ना पार्ट में एंगल 5. OPC. Very good. And okay. Then 3, 6 and 8. And CPF. Right? Sure. Now the fourth one, 2 things are there. Interior and exterior. Sure. Let's talk about interior. On same side means what? If we choose one angle on left hand side, then we have to make a pair of left hand side only. Right hand side की pair चलते हैं नहीं. That is the statement that angles on same side of transversal. એટલે પહેલા જો હું left hand side ની pair લખું તો બધી left hand side ની લખવાની. right hand side ની pair પહેલા લખું તો બધી right hand side ની લખવાની. સમજ પડે છે? તો પહેલા start કરીએ આપણે left hand side પર. Interior. Interior means what? Forming cave. Cave જેવું દેખાય છે ને? Right, inside. So which are the angles? 4 and 5. તો બોલો. AOP. Very good. And OPC. And OPC. That is your first. Right? અહીંયા bracket માં લખી દઉં છું. Left hand side. Right? Our first pair. So second pair. On right hand side. Again you can see the cave. 3 and 6. So follow. right hand side is parallel. चलो similarly exterior means what? Outer. The outer દેખાય છે? Which one? 1 and 8. Angle 1 and CPF. That is on left hand side. And second pair and that is on right hand side. समझ पड़े? So once we are familiar about this relation, and a relation થી જો આપણે એકવાર familiar થઈ જઈએ, then we can easily find the values of each and every angles. But what are corresponding, what are alternate, what are vertically, what are interior, what are exterior, એ બધું જ તમારા માઇન્ડમાં લોક હોવું જોઈએ. સમજ પડી? and 2 or 3 marks directly તમારા પોકેટ. समझ पड़े છે? फटाफट. Now second one, in the given figure below, if measure of one angle is 35, it is not necessary કે તમને angle 1 અને angle 2 જ આપશે, right? કોઈ બી angle નું ફિગર માં ગમે ત્યાં measure હશે. At that time we have to be what we call careful, right? Careful રહેવાનું કે કયા નંબરનું એંગલ આપ્યું છે તે. સિમ્પલ પહેલા તો નંબરિંગ જ કરી દેવાનું. That will be the best. So clockwise 1 2 3 4 અહીંયાથી ઊંધું જવાનું 5 6 7 8, right? આવી રીતે તમે નંબરિંગ કરી દેવાનું એટલે તમને ખબર પડી જશે કે અહીંયા કયું એંગલ આપ્યું છે. So from the figure I can say that measure angle 5, that is equal to 35 degree. Is it so?
Yes.
From the figure I can get the idea that measure angle 5 is 35 degree. Right? Now 5 and 6. 5 and 6. They are linear?
Yes.
How we can say that? Common point, opposite ray, common arm. Common point, opposite ray, common arm. So here from figure, angle 5 and angle 6 forms linear pairs of angles, and we know that what? Yes. So we know that soon angle 5 plus angle 6 is 180 degree. चलो, what is angle 5? આપણે જોઈ લીધું છે 35 plus angle 6 is equal to 180, which implies angle 6 is equal to 180 minus 35, which implies angle 6 is equal to 130 આવતો હે કે 145. चलो મળી ગયો angle 6, તો આપણે લખતા જઈએ 145. Now very easy. Vertically opposite angles भी देखाय છે, corresponding pairs of angles भी देखाय છે. બરાબર? તો પહેલા corresponding લઈ લઉં, પછી બધા vertically એકી સાથે લખી દેવા. બરાબર? તો now angle 5 and angle 1, right? એવું નહીં કે ચટ્ટું આવવાનું, ઊંધું બી જવાનું. Angle 5 and angle 1. Similarly, angle 6 and angle 2 are corresponding pairs of angles. And how are the measure? Same. Why same? Ln m r right? Angle 1 is equal to, what is angle 5? 5 degree. ચાલો 1 મળી ગયો. Angle 2 is equal to angle 6. 145 degree. ચાલો મળી ગયું. So here 35 and 145. હવે તમને બધું બી ખબર જ છે. શું ખબર છે? કે બધા જ મેઝર જે આપણને મળ્યા ને જે શોધવાના એ બધા કયા ફોર્મ થાય છે? વર્ટિકલી ઓપોઝિટ એંગલ. So now બહુ બધી નામ આવે આપણે એક્સ્ટ્રા કરવાનું. Now angle 1 and angle 3. Similarly angle 2. Similarly
Angle 5 and angle 7.
oh sorry 7. Then
Angle 6 and angle 8
are
vertically opposite angles.
vertically opposite angles. And how are the measure? Equal. Therefore angle 3 is same as angle 1. ઊંધું બી લખાય તો જરૂરી નથી. Angle 4 is same as angle 2. Angle 7 is same as angle 5. Angle 8 is same as angle 6. So which imply angle 3 is equal to 35 degree. ચાલો angle 3 મળી ગયું. આગળ which imply angle 4 is equal to 145 degree. ચાલો angle 4 भी મળી ગયું. which imply angle 7 and finally 145 degree, right? So in this way we can find the measure of remaining angles if one of the measure is given to you. It is not necessary કે તમને first second જ આપશે. કદાચ lower part માં બી measure આપેલું હોય ક્યાં તો underની side measure આપેલું depend paper settle. Got it? Look.